Over at Thorpe Park, the beach is being changed forever. Multiple rides have had a refresh for the 2026 season, and it's the end of the line for Rumba Rapids. A lot has been going on over the close season at Thorpe Park, so let's dive straight into every update I know of with TP Time. Starting with some smaller updates, we'll start in the Amity and Big Easy Boulevard area with a partial repaint of the supports on Tidal Wave and a full repaint of Detonator.
Wow!
Although not the most exciting update ever, it shows that Thorpe Park are still continuing their Sparkle project across the park. But on the subject of Project Sparkle, it's a real shame that the repaint for Colossus hasn't been completed, and with the coaster beginning testing, it's now inevitable that the lift hill and loop won't be repainted for the 2026 season. A coaster which has been rumoured to have had a refresh this year is Nemesis Inferno, with its station apparently being updated with the broken effects fixed. Back in the day, I absolutely used to love this station. When all the lighting was on point and the awesome sound system was working, it really had an exciting feel to it. But over the years, lots of these technical elements have broken, and the station was looking tired last season. So let's hope it's been restored to its former glory. It's Stealth's 20th birthday this year, and Thorpe Park have already released a video showing maintenance staff eating a cake on top of the coaster. This makes me think that we might see some new signage or decorations around the speedway to highlight this milestone. Thorpe Park have introduced a new annual pass this year, which brings an end to the previous silver and gold pass system. It's actually pretty cheap at only £64 and has very little exclusion dates in comparison to the silver pass from last year that was a similar price. Now, if you don't ever park at Thorpe Park, then this new pass is a steal. However, if that's not the case, I actually think the new annual pass is a worse deal than a renewed gold pass from last year, since the exclusion of parking means you have to pay £12 every time you visit, instead of it being free. 2 visits with parking included comes out at a similar price to the renewed gold pass from last year. And let's be honest, if you've got an annual pass, you'll be going more than twice. I went 8 times last year, so parking with this pass would have cost me £96. That's £160 with the pass price included. So all in all, I have mixed reactions to this annual pass. Be sure to subscribe for more TP Time videos like this, but pivoting to the Amity Beach area, the concept art for Project Pivot has been released, and it's safe to say it has generated a mixed response. A lot of people think it looks cheap and temporary, and although I do understand this point of view, I still think it will be a very nice area for big events like Fright Nights, as its spread out nature definitely leaves space for mazes and scare zone infrastructure. It's nice to see that the area is finally going ahead, as construction machinery has been seen working in the area. As of Thursday the 12th of March, Thorpe Park have released a video announcing the permanent closure of Rumba Rapids after 39 years of operation. I'm actually pretty sad about this, as it was a great filler attraction which I would always go on to take a break from the coasters, and I would have ridden it even more last season if I knew it was going to close. Anyway, we've just got to hope that unlike Loggers Leap, Thorpe Park don't leave this ride to rot and instead redevelop the space within the next few years. I mean, it's a pretty big area for redevelopment, comparable to the space that Hyperia occupies. I would love to see something like an Intamin multi-launch coaster in the space, as the landscape would be great for diving in and out of the ground. Or even a tide-propelled family thrill coaster could be a good replacement to fill a gap in the park's offering. That's it for this TP Time video. If I missed anything, please comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.